Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Phantom wallet type in 2025. The Phantom wallet is a digital wallet designed for Solana blockchain interactions, allowing users to store, send, and receive Solana and other Solana-based tokens. To understand what type of wallet Phantom is, we first need to know the different types of digital wallets. There are primarily two categories: custodial and non-custodial wallets. Custodial wallets are managed by a third-party service, while non-custodial wallets give users full control over their assets and private keys. Phantom falls under the non-custodial category, providing users with complete ownership and responsibility for their digital assets. This means that users have full control over their private keys and are responsible for securing them. One of the key features of Phantom is its ability to interact with decentralized applications, also known as DApps, on the Solana blockchain. This allows users to engage with a wide range of applications, from decentralized finance to gaming and more. In terms of security, Phantom offers various features to protect user assets, including password protection, seed phrase backup, and the option to connect to a hardware wallet for added security. To get started with Phantom, users can download the browser extension or mobile application, create a new wallet, and back up their seed phrase in a secure location. From there, users can deposit Solana or other Solana-based tokens, browse DApps, and interact with the Solana ecosystem. Best practices for using Phantom include keeping the seed phrase secure, enabling password protection, and regularly updating the wallet software to ensure the latest security patches and features. In conclusion, Phantom is a non-custodial digital wallet designed for Solana blockchain interactions, offering users full control over their assets and private keys. By understanding the features and security measures of Phantom, users can confidently navigate the Solana ecosystem and engage with a wide range of decentralized applications.